Hello guys, my name is Sayon and this is my little brother Sian.
Hi!
And today, we are unboxing my new tablet because my tablet is broken. So we got a new one. Alright,
Let's see what's inside. Wow!
wow, look at this. The name is Realme Pad 2. Wow! Look at this.
Look at your new iPad.
It comes with the plastic. It comes with a charger.
And this is for mine.
Look, it's cool. It looks like my cell phone's charger.
Let's open this.
Look at this. This is the case of the tablet.
It's right here.
And it's right, my tablet is right here. I'm gonna put it there.
And now we have it.
And now, we're ready to use it. Goodbye guys. See you on my next video. Bye.
Yay!
But remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.
But remember, you gotta rise up. Bye!
Remember, always stay rise up.
I'm getting rise up.
But remember, always stay happy and rise